Welcome to terrifying noises done by me. That's number 1. Next is and that's the third one. Because in the year 2020 and possibly 2021, the scariest thing on Earth, it scares me as well.